Hello guys, this is a short how-to on creating a Blender soft body physics animation with a simple example. So without further ado, here is the result and now I'll show you the basic steps. First I add a simple plane and multiply the size by 4. After that I add a sphere and move it a bit up. On the Physics tab I define the sphere as the soft body and the plane as the collision object. I disable the soft body goal because we don't want to define forces for vertices. Pull and push for soft body edges are set to 0.8 and the bending to 10. Of course you can play around with these values, I just used some examples that work. Okay, then I set the end of the animation to 150 and then I press the play button to start it. It could happen that it doesn't work immediately, so you have to restart the animation from the first frame. Okay, the animation works, but I set the shading of the ball to smooth. The last thing I do before I render this is to set a material for the sphere. This is a simple principled shader with a red color. And here's the rendered preview. You can see I added an HDRI for better lighting. I adjusted the camera like this. And I set the render output to FFmpeg video. That's it, and now I can press animation to render. The rendering takes some time, but here you can see the final result. Okay guys, that's soft physics in a nutshell. I really hope you like it, and if you do, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to not miss the next video. Thanks for watching, perhaps you consider supporting me on my Patreon, this would be awesome, and see you soon here on JNM.